This is the South Midway, the building at the South Midway Plaza. This seems to be the only intact original service plaza, at least on the segment of the turnpike I'm driving on. So I think I'll go in over there and check out the interior. Okay, so let's head into the South Midway Plaza. This would have been this would have been contracted to Howard Johnson's in the early days. Oh. Oh, there's... Huh. I don't know what to make of this. I assumed it was a two-story building. I guess not. I wonder what it looked like in the old days. I doubt they had acoustic ceilings.
Kramer-Wagman joint venture brought some real coordination of strengths, also brought our ability to bring a low number and a cost-effective pricing to the turnpike.
Blah, blah, blah.
Let's start a description of the construction process down to the East Shore.
This kind of reminds me of Escher. Alright, there's not much to see here, is there? Huh. $80 million used to buy something. Not anymore. Alright. Time to get back on the road.